Guys, welcome back to another timeless reading. So this reading today, when we understand the mind connection, who wants to connect with you? This basically means there needs to be a body mind connection in order for all the organs and everything else in the body to work the best that they can possibly. If you ever feel like at this point in your life that you are not supported by family, friends, whatever the case might be, know that the universe got your back. Also know that every heartbeat echoes your soul's purpose. Listen closely. Let go of worry. Learn to trust the universe. Thank you guys. Bye bye.